Hello children, today we are going to learn to remember the values of standard angle. Already in my part 6 of the video, I have explained to you the reason why the value comes. Then in my part 7 of the video, in the beginning I had written the values of the standard angle, sine 0, sine 30. Now in this video we will see how to remember them. This will be a short video where we will try to remember them, because this won't be provided to you in exam, these values. So whenever you practice question based on this, you will see 2-3 more video coming up. There we will be using these values, so you have to mug it up, remember. So if you know the reason, I have given you in part 6, but you need to reproduce the value fast. So how we do, see here. So very short video and how we are going to do so that we can remember these values by heart. So first, what we do, sine 0, 0, we write sine, then I'll tell you another trick. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So sine starts from 0, half. So these values are increasing, children, if you find with calculator. Half is 0.5, this is 1 by 1.414, you will get more than half. This is 1.732 by 2, this will be roughly 0.85 like that, and this is 1. So values of sine increases when you go from 0 to 90 degree. Cos, just the opposite you do. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, just we write in reverse order, because we have seen in complementary angle sine 30 is cos 60 and cos 60 is sine 30. So already I have made video, I think 4 and 5. So here it will be 0. So cos starts with 1 and it ends with 0. So this value come here, see here, 1 comes here, 0 goes there. Otherwise you can see like crisscross, this comes here, this comes here. So one way of remembering is that you write 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, write in reverse order or crisscross. This remains same, this comes here, 0 comes here, 1 comes here. Okay. And before you do any sum, children, you must remember it. So in the beginning I'll advise on the side, like I'll show you in my next video. You write all these values on the side and try to learn them, because in exam you won't get these values. And you cannot use table, because table gives the values in decimal, which you will see in class 10. Now one thing I have taught you earlier, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So here if you see, this over this stands, so 0 by 1 is 0. Okay. Now see here what you do, if you divide this by root 3 by 2, when division becomes multiplication, so 2 goes up, root 3 comes down, so value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Generally you will remember this same thing if you divide. If you divide the same thing, you will get 1. Okay. So these are the values of tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1. Same way here, if you do root 3 by 2 divided by half, when you convert this half, 2 will go up. So it is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90 is undefined. 1 by 0, 0 in denominator is undefined. Okay, it cannot be defined, it is meaningless. Some teachers and some people say it's infinity, which is wrong. Undefined, it has no meaning, something upon nothing. So whenever you have denominator 0, it is undefined or meaningless or not defined in mathematics. So once more, before I tell you another trick, so write 0, half, 1 by root 2. So sine 0, 0, this is how we remember, sine 30 half, cos 60 half. Sine 45 1 by root 2, sine cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is what is sine 30. I taught you in complementary angle. So what is sine 0 is cos 90, sine 90 is cos 0. And here we use this particular relationship, tan is sine by cos, divide this by this as I have shown you, this by this, you get tan. So kindly pause the video and copy, then one more trick I will tell you, and then we will end this lesson. So this lesson is all about how to remember the values of standard angles, trigonometric ratio of standard angles, especially sine, cos, tan, and the other three children, they are the reciprocal. So now next we are going to see how we remember in other ways. So see here, this you remember 0, okay, tan 0, this is 1 by root 3, because this is very important, children, okay. This tan, we have a chapter in class 10 called height and distance, where we use tan mostly, sine cos comes rarely. So remember tan, I am trying to make you remember it. Tan 0 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, because here when we do, we get isosceles right angle triangle, okay, for 45 degree, base and perpendicular are equal, and tan 60 is root 3, okay. So another way is what we do, if you want to remember sine, we write 0 1 2, this is for sine, 0 1 2, 0 1 2 3 4. There are 5 values, 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4. We divide all this by 4, okay, we divide all this by 4. So write, okay, 0, so here you can write again sine, how we get sine x, 0 1 2 3 4, divide all by 4, take the positive square root, take the root, see what we get. 0 by anything is 0. Here 1, root over 1 is 1, root over 4 is 2. Just take the positive value, you cannot take minus half, take the positive square root. This is half, children, so 1 remains, and this is root 2. This root 3 and root of 4 is 2. So see, same values we are getting, sine. This is for sine, and cos, I'll tell you just the opposite. We can write 0 1 2 3 4, there we write just the reverse, that is the easiest, or you write 4 3 2 1 0. So here 4 by 4 is 1, root over 1 is 1. So children, this is how we remember in another way. Suppose you forgot, best thing is the logic, you see my part 6 of the video. This is how we have done, okay, 0 half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Then we do just the opposite, we write in reverse order. I told you, or crisscross, because they are complementary angles. Tan, you try to remember 0, 1 by root 3, tan 30, tan 45, 1. This is very important, children, especially tan for class 10 height and distance. Root 3, tan 60 is root 3. So one way I told you, just to recapitulate, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4, all you divide by 4 and take the positive square root. Okay, so this gives you 0, this gives you half, this gives you 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So same way cos you can remember, children. You write 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, divide by 4 and take the square root. So exactly sine thing you get in reverse order, and tan, as I told you, we remember by sine by cos. So this is the easiest method, any method you do, but you should be able to reproduce the value when it is required. So in my next video, I will be solving more sums based on trigonometric ratio of standard angles. Thank you, children, for watching this video lesson.